Ever since I got Rusty Dustin, who is
In the background, me and Ben holding freight. I got the second one. Dustin to use the wheels for Meru, the little switching. So, here's Meru's original chassis. You may see a Lego train one. There it goes. To the maintenance shop. And now she's a 620 tender engine. It's called a yellow Tommy Trains hopper car with white barrel oil cans, also known as that. 2 custom camera cars, Zany trains, a Tommy Trains flat car, and a Santa Fe box car. And also there's models hauling 4 troublesome trucks. 1 blue, one red, a green one, and a white one. A yellow box car, 2 blue hoppers, 1 with hard cargo, and with Hinkle, a tank car, and Bruno. Oh yeah, there's also 2 Tommy Trains figurines working right there. It looks so cool, like you say. Oh yeah, just how do you making noise well? That's kind of cool. Yeah, so yeah, like I say, thank you for, you know, sending me everybody the second Rusty Dustin and the custom camera car. I can't wait to buy the buildings soon to put on my layout. So yeah, that's what I have to say. So yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much what I have to say. Pretty awesome.